Girl, so they pushing all my other teeth together. Oof, child, please. And we're walking, period.
40-piece McNugget, big 4-0.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
Hey girl, so happy that you were able to answer my phone call. Okay, y'all know that usually my channel consists of a lot of like tutorials, whether that's hair, nails, whatever the sort, and then in between me filming those, I do a lot of like on the go vlogs. So I felt like we needed to get on the phone and chit chat, girl. So this is gonna be the first of many FaceTime vlogs. Now, mind you, we got a new setup going on. First off, I'm filming on my phone. Yeah, girl, I broke my camera. Insane. Hopefully the audio sounds really, really good. I have it on a microphone today. It's giving real old fish. I'm gonna curl my hair up real quick just because my hair has been in a bonnet for God knows how long. I've been sick all last week. I don't know if I had the flu or what. I've also been going into work in office because my job changed from being fully remote to hybrid. Before that, like way before that, I've been going through like hella family stuff. All in all, I've still been very blessed and I'm still very grateful of how 2024 as an entire year has went, and I'm really excited about how I'm wrapping it up. So literally in like a week or so, girl, I get my wisdom teeth pulled. That's another thing I was going through. My mouth has been in pain, girl. I'm a very rare individual. I have 3 wisdom teeth only when you're supposed to have 4. However, they're growing in sideways. Girl, so they pushing all my other teeth together. Oof, child, please. Speaking of blessings, my man is literally a blessing because he coming down next week to take care of me while I get my wisdom teeth taken out. Love him down. And speaking of him, I got some footage of what we did last week. I took him out on a date, girl. Cause I really think like Black Boy Joy is so important to me, and giving men their flowers just as much as we expect men to give us as women our flowers is very important. And I just wanted to congratulate him. We had such a good time, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that footage in right now so y'all can see what that was all about. Okay, y'all, I'm checking in. We losing like shit, but I'm not here for that. I'm really just here for the vibes. You want to say hey to my vlog?
What's up, vlog? James Harden got a 40-piece on y'all niggas. 40-piece McNugget, big 4-0.
He just happy shit to be here. This is a surprise. They really got a hundo on us.
Capital One card.
Back in for the Wizards, Bilal Koulibaly.
I want your camera. This shit clear.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stupid thick purge.
Yeah, so now that we're all caught up to speed, let's get into what I want to do today. After I get myself together, we're gonna go into my living room and open a very important package because y'all, I'm trying to get my health and wellness together. Y'all know the wellness girlies you see on TikTok. They're usually palm colored folks. Yeah, they be having their life together though. I'm not gonna take nothing from them. Like, they wake up, they do their juices, they get their smoothies, they eat their acai bowls, they go to Pilates and bar, the waist be snatched, okay? They be taking their vitamins. I'm trying to get on that 24/7 every single day. So I bought a walking pad from Amazon. It's gonna be linked in my description if y'all want the same one. But yeah, we finna set her up because I need to get, like, the goal is to get 10K steps a day. Do I know if we're gonna do that on today? Being though it's the first time I'm trying her out and it's already like 10:30. I don't know. But we gonna try our best, okay? With the weather, I'm not gonna leave my house. Like, yeah, my apartment complex has a gym, but it's not in my building. I gotta walk across the street from it. I know myself. If it's cold outside, I'm not going. So if I can't dedicate myself and work on my discipline and do this daily, and it's literally sitting in my living room, I have no excuse. And I'm just gonna have to accept the fact that I'm a big fat lazy fat back fuck, because ain't no way how you not gonna do your daily exercise and it's sitting in your living room. Oh, but yeah, at least the hair is together. Okay, my edges were kind of already done, so I'm just gonna leave them, child. Like I said, they're gonna spread out, and then we're gonna see what this walking pad is about, girl. So come on.
Friend, we had to take a break. We taking a quick little intermission of this FaceTime call, girl, because I'm hungry as shit. Like, I ain't eat all day. Why's my first meal dinner I made yesterday? That's insane. Where's breakfast? Where's lunch? And this is not very gala of me. And my phone died. Y'all know I broke my camera, so I can't film until the phone charges. So I'll catch y'all in like 20 minutes, okay?
Okay, y'all, that food was too good. Like I said, I had to take a quick break. I had made some shrimp and orzo, like a one pan pasta dish. Is orzo more of a pasta or a grain? I don't know, but it was too good. And now I got my handy dandy box cutter, and we are about to open this massive ass box. Okay, we're gonna toss the slippers, and we're gonna get into her. I don't even know where to start, where to begin. But like I said, she's almost 60 pounds, and I'm just really proud of the fact that I was able to bring her big ass upstairs. Not really up the stairs, I took the elevator, but still. But how do you even pick her up? How to put it on my foot? That's probably not the best. Don't got it, but I know I need to cut through the right things. Hey, and then it's like staple. Oh, period. Got it. Okay. Ah. What is big ass box cutter? Period. Making progress. Period. Okay, y'all. So I don't know if like my head is cut off in this frame. If it is, I'm gonna be sick. But I'm trying to show you the treadmill. I had to get my situation set up. I had to move the tree, move my chair, just because she has to be plugged up. It's not wireless, duh. So I had to be by outlet, and I put her all together. It was literally so simple. All you had to do was put on the phone holder and screw the two big screws in the side. Put your battery in your remote, and now we can get started. You can change the speed. And we're walking, period. She's actually like really smooth. She has the calories, the time, the steps, the distance, and the speed at the bottom. And then up here, you can adjust the speed, start and stop. So you also have the remote. You can sit it down. This will be my little workout section, okay, period. I'm going to have my water, treadmill. I got some dumbbells over there, little weights. This is so cool. Okay, so tell me why. Oh my god, I don't have the mic on. I'm sorry. So the sound might be a little bit different right now. I had took it off because I had just got on the treadmill to like try her out, and I actually really like her. I'm excited. I'm gonna be skinny. Actually, the plan is not to be skinny. The plan is to be slim thick. However, being skinny with a big old ass do sound, and abs and slim arms, like toned everything, but a fat juicy booty don't sound too bad. This angle is probably horrible too. Girl, I'm out of breath a little bit. That thing got some power on her, child. But okay, y'all, you know you've had a long day when like all your curls just drop and now they just like a slight bend. But actually my edges didn't sweat out too bad. That goes to show that using just spritz on your edges actually really works. It's probably a white cast now because I have sweated a little bit ill. But yeah, y'all. Follow me on Instagram because I heard they banning TikTok for real. come 2025. So we're gonna have to reconvene on another platform. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, that's insane. We just spent all day on the phone together, girl. What are you doing? So if you enjoyed this like FaceTime vlog form content, tell me in the comments below, because this is my first time doing this. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, mamas.